Okay, so till now we have seen the basics of body recomposition. In this video, we'll just dive into a bit of technical details as to how to calculate basal metabolic rate and total daily energy expenditure for your body. And I'll also take my case as an example how I approached the body recomposition by calculating my basal metabolic rate and total daily energy expenditure, and how did I build up my diet plan, which I'll be sharing in the coming videos as well. So in this video, I'll give you a starting step to like how to calculate the basal metabolic rate and TDEE, which will help you get started with the foundations of your body transformation. So let's get started. So now let's dive into the calculation part. So for calculating the BMR, we are using Mifflin-St Jeor's equation. This is a widely known equation to calculate the BMR. So, and also I would like to mention that the BMR calculation varies a bit for men and women. So based on women's body characteristics, the formula slightly changes, like a slight change. So for men, there is a constant factor addition of 5. And for women, it is a subtraction of 161. So this is the only change between men and women in terms of calculation. Nothing else changes. So the formula goes like 10 times of your body weight, which is in kgs, plus 6.25 times your height, which is in centimeters, minus 5 times of your age, plus 5. This is a constant value. And for the woman, it goes, the formula remains the same, just that the ending constant factor changes. Here it is plus 5 for men, and here it is minus 161 for women. So for example, let us consider my stats. So my stats goes like height is 176 centimeters, weight is 86 kgs, and age is 25 years. So let's calculate my BMR. So I've inserted all these values into the formula. So if I do the calculations by performing the operation, the final result what I get is 1840 kilocalories per day. This means that even though if I'm lying on the bed all day without doing any activity, so I would burn about 1840 calories per day. So this is like the BMR for my body based on the statistics that I've provided. So now if I was a female, let us consider the same statistics, but my gender changes to female. Let's say if I'm a female of the same statistics, then the BMR calculation goes like, I've inserted the same values, just that the last value changes. So if I perform the operations, I would get the final value as 1674 kilocalories per day, which means that even though if I was a female and with these parameters, if I'm resting all day, my body would still burn 1674 kilocalories per day just to keep myself alive. So this is the basic BMR calculation that you can do to get an approximate value of your BMR to help you shape your goals and body transformation goals.